Good morning, everybody. Hope you guys are doing amazing. As always, welcome to yet another stream. We are building a 3D modern portfolio. That's right. And this is gonna be a fun one. This is part 4 of, I don't know how big this series is gonna become, honestly. I think it's pretty huge. But yeah, the goal here is just to have fun, to learn how to build this. We're using 3GS, NextJS, TailwindCSS. On top of that, we're using TypeScript, React with Fiber, and so many other things. And those of you who don't know how it looks like, let me show you here, right here. Give me 1 second. This is how it looks like on the back end, right there. So, this right here. So, our goal is to build this 3D design, this as a 3D modern portfolio. These are going to be icons from Spline. Then we're going to have almost like a desk. What's up, everybody? Good to see you. What's up, Dubby? Good to see you, my friend. So, of course, there's gonna be like a desk there, and a few other things, honestly. And then we like get in touch button. We have a view my resume button, of course. And here, there's your skills and everything. The goal here is for it to be interactive completely. Where like if I hover over this, it's actually like it turns and everything like that. So I think that would be a ton of fun. Scrolling down, of course, we got the My Work Experience, where you can put in your experience right there. And then scroll down. After that, we got the project, where you can showcase all your projects you've done before. And then, of course, the Let's Get in Touch. So, pretty good looking 3JS modern portfolio. I'm loving this. And, of course, this is going to be mobile friendly as well. Now, what have we done so far? So far, we've gone to this point right here. So, right now, we have gotten the header. And the header is kind of fully done. /yes/no. We gotta figure out how to make this kind of still be a proper clip path. This clip path looks good, but it's not, how do I say this? It's not the most versatile, okay? Yeah, that's the issue here. It's not the most versatile clip path for us to use. The goal, though, however, for today is simple. We want to actually build out the 3D object that's underneath. So if we look at our design, we have this 3D object. It's just going to be like a desk, almost like a gaming, like a developer desk. And so we want to put that in today. That's the goal. I don't have this exact desk. Daniel has that one from the last video, and he's not here today. But I'm going to put in just like a general room that looks a little bit like this into our app. Now, I've never used Spline, guys. Never used Spline. I'm going to be learning here with you. Okay? I preface this. Again, we're building this for learning purposes, for me, for you. And then once we build this out, we're going to create the actual video at the end. So in about potentially in a few weeks. So the official video is going to go live, at some point later on in the future, where we build this from scratch, from 0 to 100. Real quick. So means we got our app right there. Of course, you can check out our app down below in the description if you want to code with us. The same thing as for the Figma design, that's also in the description as well if you want to code with us as well. Nice. All right, so here's where we're at. So we've got our header. Let's see. We've got our header. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Yeah, we've got our header. We've got our kind of like our banner. Yeah. And I'm actually going to convert this into its own, how do I say this? Its own background, header background section. So let's go ahead and do right click, new file, header back bg.tsx. Of course, we're using TypeScript here. I'm going to say const to create our function component to say header bg is equal to. You know, it's so funny. I used to be so scared of these functions, these arrow functions, but now they're just become normal part of me. What is this song? Hold on, this song is weird. Trying to use Epidemic Sound, but if you guys have better suggestions on how I can get copyright-free music, that's like really cool. Just some of this music is just wacky, Okay, we got some happy music. Let's see. Oh, you're gonna have fun with this, of course. What's up, Masatek? What is up, everybody? So header BG. So of course right now it's empty. We're gonna take our header stuff right here. Take this, Command X this right there, and then put it into our header BG. Of course, you're gonna return. So of course with components, guys, we're returning what? We're returning JSX. Boom. There we go. Nice. Awesome. And of course, don't forget to export. So export default. And of course, but when you say export default, that always means like just put this is the default component you're exporting, guys. So it's very important. Every single file needs to have doesn't need to have, but it has only one default. Export. Header BG. Ooh, header. There we go. Yeah, correct. So let's go back to our header. So now we can actually import that. Boom. Header BG. Hey, there we go. So it's going to actually. Oh, nice. It imported it automatically as well. Yo, what's up, Yvonne? Awesome. So we got that part. Let's see how this looks like. Let's take a look at our app. There it is. Pretty simple. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and underneath this header, of course, we need to now create the second portion, which is going to be a section called, what should we call this? 3D, I don't know, 3D section? I don't know, 3D description, maybe? Or maybe a bio, maybe a bio could be a better name for this, actually. Yeah, I kind of like the bio name for this. That could be good. So everything is inside. Let me double check here. We got our header, yeah, of course, but everything is inside. Where is it? Not inside here. No, not inside here. Got our layout. There we go. That has the body. We've got our page that has the header. There we go. So there's our page. And so now we're going to create a new component. And then that one is going to be a bio component. So like this. Boom. Awesome. Of course, we haven't created it yet. So let's go ahead and do that. So in the components here, new file, bio. Bio.tsx. Daniel is out for today. He's going to be back tomorrow, guys. Okay, great. So let's go ahead and create that file. So say const bio equals and of course don't forget to export this. Export default bio. Awesome. I hate it when it does the autofill. Nasty. Return. Gonna create the return, of course, return JSX. Let's just put some normal div, which is like bio 8. Boom. Boom. There we go. We'll be here tomorrow. So someone asked, did you solve the clip path problem? Actually, still looking into it, the clip path problem. Like one of the things I'm thinking about actually is basically, let me go ahead and import this so that we don't get that error. So let's go back to page.tsx. Let's go and import bio from /components /bio and that's it, right? There we go. Awesome. So that's cool. So let me refresh this. Oh shit, what happened there? That was scary there, guys. So a few thoughts on this. What I'm thinking actually is we're thinking of creating like a full-on basically like a full-on a straight clip path and then cutting it. You can actually cut the clip path by using like these divs that have like these curves. For example, imagine like this is a div. Imagine like this is a div right here. Let me go and create like this is a div. Yeah. It's a div that's like this, right? But it has this curve inside this div that's a black color like this. So, yeah, sorry. Brush. So it has a curve like this. So we're actually thinking of doing it like this, where basically you create a normal clip path that's straight, okay? That's straight clip path, and then you simply cut it. So that's my thought on that right now. So maybe we can test that today. I think we can test that today because that's one of the hardest things for sure for us right now. Yeah. All right, so we've got our bio. I feel like I'm in Hawaii right now. So it was designed for desktop as well. Like it's a good design. Like this is a good design, right? Because it's designed also for mobile. Like you'll notice here that we do have a mobile version of this, right? Right there. You can see it, yeah? So it works for mobile too, you know. It's just this is really difficult structure in general to have. I'm curious how it would look like with sharp edges. I don't know if it will look good, honestly. I don't know if it will look good. We'll see. We'll see. Let me go remove that comment thing. There we go. All right. So let's go ahead and add in the spline thing underneath, okay? Because I want to actually showcase this to you guys. I myself don't know how to use it, so we're gonna be learning this with you're gonna be learning this with me at the same time, honestly. So it's gonna be a ton of fun. Right there. Bio.tsx. There we go. So I'm gonna go to Spline here. Spline is like a 3D design tool. You can see right there. Spline right here, and you can see I can move around, and it's actually made for mobile. It's actually made for user experience. That's the cool part about it, actually. You can see I can click into it, I can do something with it, so it's very interactive in terms of what's possible here. And I'm gonna get started here with this, and then let's just click on something. Let's click on this, for example, like a spline design. There it is. So a pretty simple room. And the goal is to export this design. Again, I have very little knowledge on how to do this. I'm just gonna, just bear with me here. You can share URL, but that's not our goal. Our goal is to actually do this with JavaScript here, right there. Okay. And then we're not gonna use vanilla. We're gonna use React 3 Fiber, which is what we have. Yeah, there we go. Oh, wait, no, that's not what I want. Export. There we go. React 3 Fiber. Okay. So there is our auto-generated by Spline. So let's copy this code here. I'm just gonna copy this code and then see what can we do with this. I don't necessarily know what this code is actually. Let's see. Holy moly, mother of... Wow. That's crazy, you guys. Okay, so we actually have to create a separate component, I'm guessing, that will export this. Is my thinking on this. Whoa. So this is all the meshes. That's a huge file. Okay, that's fine. So let's create a new component here, a new file, and call it bio 3d.tsx. No, I'm not gonna build this with CSS. No, definitely. Okay, so bio 3d.tsx. Boom. Let's Command Z this one. Let's paste it into here, actually. So what that's saying here to me is we have to install this Spline tool, cannot find module. So we need to install this Spline tool thingy here. Let's see. So inside our... How do I say this? Let's open up our... terminal. There we go. What is this? What is this music, you guys? Holy shit! This is just insanity. No. No. Running. There's running music. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. That's more like it. I'm gonna do npm install here. My terminal, so we do npm. There we go. Cool. So we're gonna do, we need to npm install the Spline tool. Let's see here, right? Spline use with React 3 fiber. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. There we go. So we need to install all of these things. So npm install. Yes. So npm install Spline tool. Let's go. It's running. All right. We're getting somewhere, guys. Dun, dun, dun. Looks like it did. All right. Looks like it's all good now. And look at that. It went away. So we're good then. Awesome. That's sick. Let's see. I'm hitting all these songs. There we go. All right, this looks good. Yeah. So we've installed that. It looks like we're exporting this at the same time. Good. Awesome. Let's see what they tell us how to use this usage. So we do use Spline. And then you use the mesh. Okay. There you go. So cool, by the way. There's examples here. Oh, they used Code Sandbox too. What do you know? Code Sandbox, you need to sponsor me. There we go. This looks really good, actually. This looks so good. Let's see. This is a fully 3D build app. Oh, whoa, this is sick. Wow, this is awesome. Imagine if that's what you had too. That's what I'm talking about. This actually gets me more excited now. Look at that. You see as I move, it moves with you. That's so cool. Welcome to my portfolio. Nice. Wow, amazing, guys. So cool. And you'll notice here that inside here, of course, he's using they're using React.js here. Of course. I know, wow, indeed. So good. So good. So they have this scene right there. So same as what we have. They're exporting this scene. And then inside app.js, they are simply importing this. And then there's a scroll functionality on there, I'm guessing. So as you scroll, right here, there's a scroll functionality. Wow. Shadows linear. I'm curious how they do how they handle the scrolling feature. There it is. So the overlay, that's what goes on top of it. Let me go ahead and do this. Let me hide this even more. Boom. So they have a overlay. Nice. Nice. On scroll, you specify a certain target. Nice. Okay, so cool. Cool. I like it. I like it. So let's do the same thing for us. We've got our scene. We need to now import our scene. So we need to go bio here. and we need to say import 3D from what? Let's not call this 3D. Let's say import bio 3D from bio 3D. There we go. Awesome. And now at this point, all we gotta do is simply just use it now. The same way you've done it here. Right there. So they imported it, and then just they used it. That's it. See bio 3D. Ooh, let's see now. Let's see if this, well, how much this breaks. All right. Something about your importing component that needs use layout. It only works in the client components, but none of its parents are marked with. I have to mark this with use client. That's why. So this does not work on server components. So you have to use client to make it use client components. There we go. You just specify like this, then that should fix that problem. That is a new thing with NextJS13, guys. Come on, reload, please. Please reload. You can do it, hopefully. Let's see if it's actually loading. The dev logs are probably saying everything here. Let's see if the dev is like dying. Restart the server. I think that's gonna be the best way to do this. That's a good song. Dun, 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 dun. Boom. Oh, we got a problem here. Progress event not defined. Looks like something along those lines. No? Did I install? Do I have to install? I did install 3JS though, I believe, no? Webpack internal, let's see, 3JS. Let's see what error this is popping up and why. Oh, they're saying to do no wait, use no wait on this. Wow. Let's see. Maybe I should specify use client on this bio thing too. Let's see. Oh, it compiled actually, look. Did it compile? Feels like it compiled, no? No? Let's see here. Def 3000. Oh no, still got an issue. Curious why. Okay, we've got our mesh. Progress event is not defined. Okay, what does this mean? I don't have that anywhere here. Part of me is thinking maybe this is a more too complex of a model. Is what I'm thinking potentially. I'm thinking maybe we could do something. Let's see what can we do that's so simple. Like a MacBook. What if I export this one? Export. Export. Not vanilla. React 3 fiber. Copy all this. Let's see here. Let's go back to here. Let's hope that maybe this could work. Because one thing you'll notice here, compiled. Remember. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, let's see how these other guys did it. Let me see. So they have it properly. I mean, this is not using NextJS. This is using React.js, which is it's a little bit different, but it's okay still. That shouldn't be a problem. I think I have to put it into a canvas. Hello, how you doing? That's why I have to put it into a canvas. So there we go. So we have to put it around in a canvas, and then you use that. Not sure what suspense means, honestly. Okay, let's see. So thank you. So let's import our canvas here, actually. So I think the issue is that. So let's go ahead and do import canvas. There we go. That makes sense. I mean, come on, us. Definitely makes sense. Because the same thing we did here in what? In our header banner. No, header nav. There we go. We create the canvas. And then inside the canvas is where we actually set up everything else we need to set up. Yeah, that makes sense. There we go. So let's go back to bio here. Let's put this into a canvas. Let me double check that canvas actually. How does it look like? It just has a camera position, that's it. And it has shadows, that's it. So it does have shadows. And it looks like for this one, it has shadows, flat, and linear. Okay. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. Bio. Boom. Canvas. Canvas. Boom. Put this bio 3D in there. Boom. Shadows filling in. I'm a first. Yay, what's up? What's your name? CubeCraft. I like it. That's awesome. What are you coding in CubeCraft? All right, so we have that part. What do you code in? All right, let's see. Now, is this still gonna die? Probably. It's not giving me any errors though anymore, like the ones it used to. Oh wait. Okay, it doesn't give me errors, but Oh wait, do I see it? It's there. I just can't go down to it. What the heck? Hold on. That's weird. I can see it's there. Inspect element. Let's see. Hold the phone. So there's our... Where's our canvas here? Dun, dun, dun. Yo, Siraj. What's up, Siraj? Good to see you. Let's see. It's there. It's working. That's cool. Maybe I need to remove this. Let's see. Shadows thingy. Just keep it as shadows for now. Oh, it looked better before. I'm so new with 3D, guys. It's insane. Okay, so there's our 3D. Oh, it's tiny. Let me set the height on this, maybe. It's so tiny. Maybe height of... I just kind of see like a blink. Nothingness. No, not really. All right, let's play around with this more. So we are using flat linear. Then they have this suspense thing, which I'm not sure what this suspense is from. I don't even know. I've never used this. New concurrent rendering engine built into React. Suspense is rendering? Everyone's showing data. Okay. Interesting. Okay. So, okay, we have our bio 3D. It's supposed to show, but it's not really showing anything. I've been developing for 10 years now. Someone's social. How long have I been coding? I have been coding for 10 years. Actually, more than 10 years now, this guys. At this point, more than 10 years. I think 11 now or 12. But some of this stuff is new. Some of this stuff, no matter how much I code, I'm still so new with it. Especially with 3D stuff. I can see that. Okay. There's a camera. I need to set up a camera for this. Oh my goodness. I thought this was just an export functionality. Just export it and you're fine. I do full stack. So what's going on here is you need to set up a camera right there. You see this perspective camera? That's something that we did not have right there. Yeah, so the camera is what we need, basically. Yeah. Yeah, we don't have camera at all. So that's our issue. So just how we had it. Why? So many questions. So the reason why I don't have a code editor, because so other people can join live in the link below. So the reason why I'm using this one and not a code editor is because so that you guys can actually see this by clicking the link in the description and actually coding with me. There it is. So this is the camera we just set up right here. Okay, this is good. I like this. So I'm gonna try to copy this camera right here. Put it inside here. Let's see. Anything? Nope. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Alright, so shadows is not working now. So this position is not working. How to use Spline. How to add Spline. Add Spline components to React. Okay, I'm just gonna follow like a tutorial here. Let's see. Okay. What? Can someone just tell me how to do this? Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. React Spline. How to add React Spline to... Okay, usage. Okay, so we got our Spline right there. So we have import Spline. If you have to go to Spline editor, click on the export button, then click code, and then React. You should see this. Okay. Okay. So there's a special. Okay, that's interesting. Dun, dun. But I want to use Spline with scenes. Maybe I have to export not the scene. Maybe. Well, wait. Hold on, because this is the scene. Hold the phone. Maybe I don't have to do this. Maybe it's as simple as just taking a link. Hold the phone. That's a good question. I'm not against it. We can try it one day. We can try it. Definitely. That'd be fun. So there it is. All right, let's try this. Let me try this MacBook Pro thingy. There we go. MacBook Pro. Export. Let's try to use, let's just say React. All right, so okay, I'm gonna try it like this, okay? I'm gonna try it like this just so I can see how this works properly. So I'm gonna try import Spline here. There we go. All right, import Spline. Then inside this div, instead of using this bio 3D thing, I'm gonna say spline. Dun, 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 dun. Command C this. Yeah. Command V that. There we go. All right, let's see. What do you mean React Spline? I installed this. Install. I thought I did install already. No. React Spline. Okay, though. I guess I need to install. I mean, I installed it obviously, so that makes no sense to me. npm install React Spline. Restart. But I'm gonna do a new terminal here. Terminal. How did I install it here? Okay, let's install React Spline again. Dun. If you guys have good playlists for me, that would be awesome actually. And if there's other ways you think we can make this more interactive, whereby you maybe can help us out, let me know. If you think there's any other ways you can help, you know, we can make this more interactive with you guys. I think that'd be awesome. All right, so that's working. So I don't really need canvas in that case right now. Let's just see. Again, I just want to see if this works. Like, that's it. I just want to. Oh, whoa! Let's go! Damn. Okay, now I'm excited. Now I'm excited. Yes. It's still kind of weird though, I will say. Still, the height of it is weird for some reason. I think because I need to set the height of this spline thingy. Yeah, I need to set the height of this because the height of it is pretty small, feels like to me. But you can see, wait, there it is. I mean, it works in here for some reason, but look at that. Using NextJS13. Wow, so sick, guys. So sick. I mean, Discord is fine, but I think, yeah, Discord could work too. But like, comments also works. No, you know, right? No, like, I feel like I like Discord side too as well. Let's see. How do I want to remove, how do I remove a background? We can actually get a certain object from Spline. How do I remove background in Spline? Like I want it to be just this, like, let's see. Maybe the rectangle, we can remove the background here. Shadows, yes. Yes. Let's see. Default camera. I'm so new with this, it's crazy. Let's see, second comment, exit frame. No. So I think this is the camera now. Okay. Oh my goodness. What is this? Oh wow. Haha, it's funny. That's the base. There's a light. How do I change? Oh, I think there is a way to do the background here. Hold on. There's a. I think it's the rectangle. I believe. No? Right. Yeah, it's this rectangle right here. So let's see. Shape, smooth, sure. Oh, is this? Oh, is this the rectangle? Ah, that's the shadow. What? No way. Wow. Yeah. Let's see. Change background of spline. Okay, I need to change the background. Let's see here. So you can actually change the camera operation. Okay, so I won't stick with the camera for now. Let's see, background. In the right panel, if no object selected, you will see an item to change the background color. Oh, really? The left panel has the list of objects currently on the screen. Okay. Oh, there it is. Environment settings, guys. So I can change this. Right? Nope. Or did that not work? Oh, I thought that worked. Let's see. Is anything changing here? I don't even know. Oh, I think it's like... interesting. Okay. Okay. That's fine. Ah, there it is. How did I miss this? I have no idea. Oh, let's go. I can make the background completely transparent, guys. There it is. So we can actually make the... there. This makes no sense. Okay, good. Okay. Now I'm liking this. There we go. Okay. Not sure what this does, but this feels like it adds a little bit more of light. No? Right there. Uh-huh. Soft. Normal. Then we have the screen. Keyboard. Trackpad. You change the color of the keyboard even. Wow. We can make it look like... we can actually make this look like MacBook Pro. No? I believe. Let's see. But this could be a little bit interesting. Because I would have to change the whole thing. Metallic thing. Is this one? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, baby. Oh my goodness. What does this do? I can't even see what this does. Where is it even impacting it? I don't see anything. Metallic. And now I need to get the purple. I believe the purple is the background, the keyboard background. No? Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, see, so that's the keyboard background right there. Oh, this is looking sick. So that, okay. Because I believe the keyboard, yeah, the keyboard in MacBook Pro is more like blackish. I believe, right? Right there, at least the background of the keyboard. And then you have keys that are a little bit lighter. I believe so. Yeah, right there. So the keys are like this. Yeah. Okay. And then the sound bar, that's weird. What is the sound bar? Let's see here. The sound. Yeah, there we go. The sound is very light. Like, let's see. It's definitely not dark. Very light. Okay, I'm liking this. Boom. I'm not liking the purple though. The purple in the like the purple thingy. I don't know what that is, honestly. Yeah, there we go. So I think that one needs to be more like, let's see, blackish. Yeah, there we go. That feels more natural. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Oh, nice. Connector and screen. What does this do? Let's see. Or does this work? Anybody looking at? Anybody seeing a big difference? Oh, I see the camera. Oh, that's the camera. That's funny. That's the camera. Okay. Okay, cool. So export this now. Copy that. There we go. Sick. Paste in that URL again. I don't know if the URL will be different or not, or how this works actually. Let's see. No, the URL is obviously the same still. How do I generate a new URL? Because obviously it did not save. Obviously. How do I save this? Oh shit, the background is like... What does drafts mean? Generate draft. Ah, this is a new draft. Ah, there we go. So I can promote to production. Oh, wow. Look at that. That's new. I didn't know that. That's interesting. So I can promote this to production. Now this is the production one. Okay, let's check it out now. I think it's going to be different now. No. Ah, what the hell? Cannot be. I promoted to production. That makes no sense. No, it's still the same. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, save to local file. Can I just do like a save? Is that like a save thing? I don't know what to do. Or maybe it's just it changes the URL. Just maybe. I think so. I think every single one has a different URL. It would make sense. Let's see. Does this look different? PR. No, it looks completely the same. That's just great. There's nothing, no change whatsoever. Oh, there's an editing code sandbox. Oh, no way. Okay, let's see. I think I can edit this, and then just then maybe I can play around with it. Run for me, run for me, run for me. Ah, update code export. Who knew? Maybe now it's different URL? Yeah, there's the new URL right there. Oh, yes. Guys, I get it now. I got it. I completely got it. Well, there it is. There's our beautiful design. Okay. Nice. What is our style here? Height of 100%. Okay. What does this do? Oh, interesting. Okay, paste this in. There we go. Now we have a new design, I believe. Yeah, there we go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. This is looking clean. Okay, let's go ahead and set the height on this. So we say class name, height. Let's see. Let's give it a height of like 200 pixels or something. Let's see, TailwindCSS. Let's see, height. I just want a height, honestly. Let's see, height of. Oh, let's see, height 50, H52 right there. Ooh, listen to this song. What is this? You guys hear that? Oh my goodness. Inspect all this. Still a height of 200 pixels, yeah? What if I do 18 rem? 20? 26? There we go, it's looking better. 28? Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Okay, this is looking good. I'm liking this now. Okay, I want to set some default. I want to set some default like. Okay, let's do this. Okay, got it. So this is really huge. This is like 400 pixels. I like that. It looks like it's like H96. Holy moly! This is a good song, by the way. I love this song. Let me save this song, actually. This one is going to be saved from my song. Yes. Beautiful. Now, I want to save default view. Thank you. Yeah, so you see how it's zoomed in too much? Like, I don't want that. I want it to be like zoomed out. Yeah, I'm just set this to actually default like 500 pixels. It's just gonna be easy, honestly. Let's try this again. Nice. There we go. Awesome. Default viewing. Okay. Spline set default camera. React. I don't know default. How to set default camera? Let me see. No. I'm curious if it told you. Maybe there's like props. Unload. Render demand ref. On a wheel on mouse down, mouse hover. Let's start. Nope. Oh, set zoom. Right there, it sets initial zoom to scene. This object exposed as the first argument of the unload function is a spline location. You can call these different point methods on it. So there's a set zoom function pretty much on this. Okay, that's cool. Let's set default zoom there. Spline React set default zoom. There we go. So I can actually set zoom limits. That's pretty cool. That's pretty useful. Okay. I want to try out the set zoom function though. But where does that set zoom function work though? Nope. Let me see, guys. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun. Okay. Spline app methods. Spline component props. Yeah, these props make sense. So we have an okay, so I got this. So we're gonna create an unload function on this. So check this out. So inside here, there's gonna be an unload on this scene. Right there. We're gonna say unload. Of course, there's no unload function right now. We're gonna create one though. I'm gonna say here, const on load. There we go. And this is an input called spline, which is the object basically. Has I type any. Yeah, I don't know what that type is honestly right now. So it's something we need to figure out. So spline. And now we have access to this object right here, the spline object. And in this one, you can do a bunch of stuff. So here, pass into spline, like unload, yeah, makes sense. But what is the number though? What does the number present? Set zoom. So we can do spline that sets zoom, I believe. Because this is at the this object is exposed as the first argument of the there we go, of the unload function. You can call these methods. There we go. Okay, makes sense. So we say spline dot set zoom, I guess. And then just takes in a number. I don't know what that number means though. Like what number is like between what? Between like 5, 10, like 10? Like it's a bit dumb. What if I do like 100? Just like let's go very extreme here. Set zoom to 100. Oh, damn. Okay, I can see this. That works, yeah. Yeah. So, what would be cool is there should be like a zoom that will fit the actual canvas. You know what I mean? I think that would make more sense. So, let's try to do like 2. Let's see. Well, it's still so huge. 1? Let's see. Okay, maybe I think maybe we could do like a 0.5. Let's see. Oh yeah, you can. So there we go. So maybe we can make it do like 0.7. Set zoom to fit the canvas. Let me see. Spline set zoom to fit canvas. Spline fit canvas function. Don't really have much of a great documentation on that side. Wait, let's see. How does it look like? Hey, look at that, you guys. I'm actually thinking what would be cool is that the default camera. Don't like how it's at an angle. Like this angle is weird. I mean, it's not bad though. Like this angle is pretty good though. Look at that. So we've added our first 3D design, 3D object into here. That's pretty cool. I'm liking this. That's pretty crisp. All right. And then underneath this, all I know is that underneath this bio, we have some kind of text here in our design. And again, we're gonna clean a lot of this up and then make this all look a ton better, of course. And then we have this piece of text right here that looks like it's pretty huge, looks like to me. Inspect. Size, font size of 52 pixels. So let's go ahead and create that bio. Alright, makes sense. Boom. The problem I'm seeing is that I need to prevent the zooming in, zooming out because it's weird. Hold on. Because you're scrolling here and then you're scrolling on the disable scroll zoom. There's our frame. Exit frame. There's gotta be like a way to disable scroll zoom, you know what I mean? Disable scaling. Let me see. We do the disable scaling on this one. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Spline. Maybe they say something on their thing. Spline disable. Scroll zoom. Ah, right here. Set it to no. No. So there's a play cam. Okay, the play settings let you control. Okay. Like movement on your scene by allowing orbit pan. Disable zoom and spline. I don't know where this works. Oops. Where do you even look at this? Nope. Rectangle? Cast shadows? No. Not what I need. No, I'm good with that one. So I'm trying to remove zoom. But I know where these settings are. You can find it by clicking the export button on the toolbar and selecting any of the export options. Oh, export. Aha. Okay. Oh, place it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Nazari. Oh my goodness. BG color hide, of course. Page scroll. Don't know what that means. Zoom, no. Pan is fine. What does auto zoom does? I'm not sure what auto zoom does. Actually, let me see here. Auto zoom. It doesn't talk about zoom here. Let's keep it for now. For now. Do. Yeah. Oh, there's so many things here. Oh wow, that's a ton of stuff. Wow. There's a ton of things here, guys. There's default camera, logo. Okay, update code export. Let's see. No, it's still zoom is still there, of course. No, I don't want that. I have to update the URL, I believe. New URL. Okay. Okay. Okie doke. Because that was a different draft. Okay. Let's see. Oh, no zoom. Look. Look at that. But I can still drag. Oh, yeah, baby. Let's go. So many things we're learning today, guys. Wow. I think what would be cool is that like as you hover, it kind of turns towards you. Wow, cool. I like it. Awesome. That's good. There we go. Look at this beautiful 3D. Awesome. So many different settings here on hover. There's things on hover. Oh. Pan camera. Oh wow. What does that do? Dun 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 dun. Let's update our URL again here. Let's see. What does this do? Oh, it goes with my... Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, that is sick. Wow. That's cool. That's cool. That's new. Touch settings. Nice. Two. Let's do update this. Do it again. This is fun. So it doesn't orbit. Wait. Oh. Ah, it's very light. You can see that actually. Let's see. Update code export again. Oh. It's very light. You notice here. Hold on. Let me see. That's cool. That's sick. Look. Oh yeah, baby. I need to figure out what auto zoom does though. Nice. Like it. Yes. Yeah. Ah, it zooms out just enough so that it can fit everything. Sick. Someone just call me? Oh, someone did just call me. Actually, I'm okay with the auto zoom off, actually. Nice. There we go, guys. So we've got some pretty cool stuff here. I'm liking this. This is so awesome. Ooh, look at that. Look at that beauty right there. I'm gonna go ahead and add some more text in here in the bottom here, and then we can continue with that. So let's see here. So one thing I need to add here is just some text. Div class name. It's going to be just by description. Bio description. I know. Description. Boom. There we go. There we go. Okay. And then I'm gonna copy this bio, whatever this bio says. Close this. Copy. There we go. Okay, so there's a bunch of text we have here. Of course. Now, of course, it's not gonna be super clean, honestly, as you notice here. Yeah, right there. See. So we need to make this look a lot better, of course. We can do this by using different, so as you know here we have different lines of code. So we can actually break this out by setting a max width. Also looks like it's centered too, which is important as well. So we need to center this actually. Yeah. So that means I need to set this to be display flex. Right here. On here. So you need to set this display flex column so that it goes top to bottom. And then I need to set item center. There we go. So let's see how that generates that. And then I need to set a max width. That's fine. I need to set a max width on this one. The max width I think was gonna be probably like 80%. Let's see here. Max width on this Tailwind CSS stuff. Boop 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 boop. Percentage base. I need percentage base. I don't need. Actually, no. Let's just do width. Because max width. It makes sense why width is not percentage based. So width, percentage based. So we're gonna say here, maybe like 60% right here. With 3/5. Yeah. There we go. That way. See, there we go. Okay. I just need to now set this to be extremely huge in terms of the font. The font here is humongous. It's like 52 pixels. That means the font for us needs to be font size. There we go. I think it's like 6SL potentially. Or maybe 5XL. Let's try that one. Boom. And also I think... Oh, okay. That's kind of looking pretty good though. But I'm not liking how... What? Ah, I know why. The reason why this is giving us a problem is because this is setting a... This is setting a height on the whole thing. So I shouldn't be doing that. I should actually set the height on here. Class name, age 500 pixels. And there should not be a height on the actual parent. Boom. That's why. Makes sense. Let's see now. Oh, that just definitely screwed up. That's no good. Because I think... Ooh. I think because it cannot apply. I need to actually apply it to the parent here. So div class name. Oh, yeah. Boom. Let's see. All right, you have to create a parent div because then it will just follow the parent div. So that's height of 500 pixels minimum. There we go. And then the rest is just normal. Hey, that's funny. It's because I know why. Don't worry, we'll change that in a second here. Also, the line height here is very different too, as you guys noticed. The line height, look at this, the line height. Line height is much bigger. Line height. I mean, let's see. Leading 10. That's line height, really? Leading 10 is done. That's a weird name. Surprised you guys are still with me. Boom. And then this needs to be width full. Width dash full. And that just sets width of 100%. There we go. Boom. No, that's a small line height, bro. No, that's a small line height. No, it's way too small. I need larger. What the hell? Even larger line height? Oh my goodness. Let's see here. Of course, I can just use arbitrary values. So I can say leading right here, and I call it 72 pixels. A bit of a weird, you know. Yeah, there we go. That's a bit too much. Thinking 60 here. Again, the cleanup is gonna come here in a second, guys, for sure. There we go. Yeah, this is good. And I believe that there needs to be a little bit more of a spacing in between this thing and then that thing. And looks like it needs to be a little bit larger, I believe, too. So this feels like it's a bit too small. So I think the width of this needs to be larger too. So the width shouldn't be 3/5. Width, I believe, could be like percentage based here. Maybe like width 4/5, I believe. Yeah, that I think that would be better. 4/5. Let's see. Yeah, I like that. There we go. Let's add a small margin to the bottom. Let's add a small margin to the bottom of this whole thing. So we're gonna go to the page.tsx, and the main just could put a MB-8, just so we have some space in the bottom actually. Nice. I'm liking this a lot, guys. A little more actually, maybe a B10. I like the following of the. That's cool. I like this a lot. There you go. So we're kind of getting there. There's of course there's a lot to do, but you can imagine that, you know, we've got the 3D object, we've got our thing, our text, then we're gonna have our resume. So there's gonna be a text with a resume, view my resume, of course, and then yeah, and then we're gonna start on the next thing, which is gonna be this part. I don't know how we're gonna do this one. This one's gonna be tough to do. This one's not gonna be easy to do. Like this part right here, this 3D object, definitely not easy, but I'm sure we'll figure it out. So yeah, guys, that's it from me. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hope you guys had, you know, thank you for joining, of course, as always. Again, here, these type of lives are just for me to have fun, for you guys to enjoy as well, and for us to learn together. That's the whole goal of these type of lives. But of course, we're working on, once we finish this live, once we finish this project, and the goal is very simple, which is just to simply put out this project as a full-on build on YouTube. So hopefully you enjoyed that. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the description in the comments below. Other than that, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow, 3 p.m. Eastern time, guys, okay? Have a good day, everybody. I love you all. Bye. This is a good song. By the way, something really cool I'm really excited for, that I want to do a YouTube live on actually, and let me know if you guys are interested in this, is talking about, I know I talk a lot about blockchain, and I'm currently working on a silly tutorial for you guys. What I'm really excited about is to teach about account abstraction. Let me know if you guys would be interested in learning that. It's using something called ERC4337. So that's gonna be fun to do as well, of course. All right, everybody. And actually, what I'm also thinking is that maybe at the end of this whole series, maybe we do like a giveaway for those people who were able to follow along and actually build this with us. So, like almost like a competition. That'd be fun. All right, everybody, have a good day. Bye.